Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data. Back up documents and media to an external drive or cloud now, because Restore can erase everything. Once done, make sure you know your Microsoft account and Windows 10 key in case activation prompts appear. With power connected, restart the laptop and press ESC or F11 repeatedly to access the recovery environment. Press F11 on many HP models. This gets you to HP Recovery Manager or Windows Recovery, so you can choose the correct restore path. Now you pick the appropriate restore method depending on why you're restoring. If you need a factory clean slate, choose System Recovery in HP Recovery Manager. If you want to keep personal files, choose Refresh or Reset this PC right arrow Keep My Files. Once selected, follow on-screen prompts to confirm which drive to restore and whether to remove everything. Make sure the laptop stays plugged into AC power throughout. This step executes the actual image or reset, which can take 30 minutes to several hours. After the reset finishes, complete Windows setup by choosing region, signing into your Microsoft account, and running Windows Update to fetch drivers and security patches. Make sure to install HP Support Assistant and any OEM drivers to restore full functionality. Once the system is stable, copy your backup files back. If you encounter errors or the restore fails, create a USB recovery media on another PC and retry. Or use HP Support Diagnostics. Contacting HP Support is the next step if recovery media also fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.